floor plan. So which one? Yeah. Go into zero plumbing.
Okay. Zero plumbing.
Oh,
Sorry, are they
plumbing,
plumbing?
floor plan,
Oh, okay.
zero.
Plumbing. Right.
And up here, under plumbing and piping, we'll add a plumbing fixture.
Missing some sprinkler.
Sorry?
Missing some sprinkler.
Doesn't matter, does it?
No, we'll just move on to plumbing. All we wanted to do tonight, you want to know how to pipe the sprinklers up, want to know how to do the exhaust ductwork. As long as you have an idea of what's involved in those points, then you're all good. Yeah, the toilet's not called a toilet, it's called a water closet.
Wow. Yes.
And apparently it lies down on the floor like that.
Looks weird.
Okay. You have the option of a public toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't know. Some people do. Okay, so just select the private 6.1 litres or whatever that is with American. What would that be? So you just got to just choose the first one.
Right.
Move over to toilet area. Put it right there on the end. No, I'm joking. Not there. Easy gonna bang against the wall. So just put it there.
It doesn't go in the middle of the wall or anything, it just goes on there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just goes onto the wall. I think,
What elevation have you got?
move it.
Oh, we can change that.
to the corner of the wall.
What have you got?
430.
You so high, but it doesn't show.
Right.
Oh, that's a
Did
bit
we- did-
good that time.
Yeah. Hmm.
Hey, sure you can reach the toilet paper?
And we'll start to connect the drainage or the sewer up to that one. I like going through section view while I'm doing this. So I can see its side on. I can see how deep into the ground I want to put my pipework. Now section views aren't visible, so let's turn them on. Leave it up to you. Go to visibility graphics and turn on your sections. Yep. And they're on.
Turn them on, but they still can't see them. Do you turn them on? No, they're not coming
They're
up.
actually turned on.
Hmm. So, go into the VV and then you go to annotation categories.
Yeah, in annotation category.
Section,
It should be turned on.
sections. Oh, did I turn it off? Oh, sorry, they were already on. I turned it off. Okay, but still they're not there. Could be review hidden elements. No, they're not there. That's weird. If you try putting one in, still won't show up. I know if you put one in, it stays there, but you won't show them up. They probably don't belong to this for some reason.
Yeah.
They belong to the mechanical
Oh, yeah, sorry.
somehow.
Yep, either draw a new one, or
New
go
one.
back into your mechanical plan and select the section.
Yeah, just draw one. Yeah, do that. Yep.
Select that, go
Yeah,
down
save
to
it.
discipline and change
Go
that
down
to
through here.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Just put it down here. Click it.
So we want
Go
this
across.
section to
That's
look side on.
Oh, you want to start on that way? Oh, we've gone the other way, sorry.
Oh,
Right.
just rotate
Delete it.
Just rotate the section.
Okay, delete that one. Just do the other way.
That height looks about right, so that's okay.
You're going to go side on so you can see the toilet. Okay, go this way. So
Oh,
just
through
just
there.
grab that and delete this one. Oh, you have to
sorry.
hit it again here. So on the quick access bar, there should be one next to the little 3D house.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, right over the top.
With this wall, normally have a double wall and space in here.
Ideally. Okay, yeah, use a plastic pipe.
Mm-hmm.
Don't know why they don't just make it PVC. But if you select the plastic type pipe, you'll see that the segment is PVC.
Mm-hmm. Can't change it now.
Yep, keep it at 80.
80.
80 mil, if that's what the connection.
Oh, up the top. 80. So there are 100. Okay, 80.
Just keep going.
Let's see. Did you go down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Straight down.
just click it again. Just do another one. Oh,
Click.
right click.
Draw pipe.
Draw pipe. And straight down
Mm-hmm.
through concrete.
Yeah, through the concrete.
Is there somewhere?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And we can bring the whole thing back
Yeah, no.
into the wall or something. So just
Well, as
click on that.
close as you can.
So
Either
click
that
that,
one. Yep.
That's about as close as we get.
Yeah.
That's all.
Probably.
That'll do. Alright. Okay, so
What's the diameter of the pipe?
80.
80.
Alright, so if I go to
Did you put a slope on the...
no, not for that, not there yet. We haven't done that yet.
Oh, okay.
We just went out and
Oh,
down.
that's still happening, is it?
Still happening here. Just trying to by hand up there. So we haven't actually done that. Yeah.
So to get the right point, because you've got 2 points on top of each other,
Ah,
to get the right point, you hover over the point
yeah,
and then tab,
tab.
and then hopefully it selects the bottom point.
Yeah, because that's the only one you can draw onto here.
And then you go draw pipe, and I want to slope down. And this,
Draw pipe or tab to get the right one.
and your pipe's not visible. So I know that I've drawn my pipe, but it's not visible.
So,
My view range.
so would you just click the slope down button as you did? Yeah. So I didn't see what slope you're putting. Just put the slope button. Yeah. 1 to 40, whatever it was. Or,
140.
yeah, default. Okay, so just go up around. Keep going. Okay. The resulting angle between the segments is too great or too small. Okay. So, do you think I got the wrong point? How do you know which one is which? I went on here and just
Yeah,
went
it's
like
not-
that.
You
It
won't-
says you can draw a pipe, but I mean, you can maybe have to I don't know.
Try again.
Tabbed ones. Okay, sloping down. Oh, it's mine now, so I must have got the top one before,
Maybe.
because you can draw on both of them,
Yeah.
obviously. So I just go just over a bit,
Yeah,
and I'll just
go
keep
out.
going.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now we can play with our view range.
All right. Close that. No worries. View range.
Have you drawn the
I did in the other view.
The one going down.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I haven't come that way yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just zoom in on that dropper. Just press escape.
Hmm.
Select the dropper.
Section view and just
Oh, section
see
view.
what level you've got there, that's fine.
Okay.
So on that longer part,
So-
mine is at that offset. I'm just gonna round it up to minus 600.
Right. Yeah, view
Up or
section.
down, depending how.
Green sections. Green sections. Oh yeah. Zoom out a bit. Now, so
Minus 1 meter.
view depth. Minus 1 meter.
That way I
Oh,
can
yes.
see everything built a meter below.
Oh, that's it. You have to. There you go.
So will you put, because we put the pond
There's my
storage
pipe.
at 600
Alright.
down,
So